Hello team. So this is the solution for a bulk email marketing solutions. Here you can set up your dashboard. So you can check your customer camping list, subscriber and all data. This is the some update like send camping is not working, region is cron job and all. So this is the notifications you receiving. Keyboard issues in solution is working like that. Queue command did not run in the last 12 hours, so we can check or we can run clone jobs manually as well. So just types of notification here. Then we have a users. So here you can check user data, last update. If you click here, you can easily edit, delete. You can create new, you can toggle. Okay, if you want to create, you can create easily. You just need to have some data. Then we have a group. So here you can set up group. Then we have a customers data. So all customer data will come here. You can check parent account, unique ID, first name, last name, email and all. Then we have a delete option, update option, reset or login as a customer as well. So we can login as a customer, we can create new, we can manage groups and all. Here we can set up group. Then we have a list. So here we can check a list, archive list if you want, so you can easily archive. Then we have all camping. So which camping are running, that camping data will come here. Here you can check regular camping data, auto responder data. Here you can check. Then we have a survey, mass emails. Let me show you, just allow me seconds. Okay, here you can select subject, message. Here you can select group, batch size, and then you can send message. Okay, then we have a messages. So all message data will come here. You can create as well. So like title, customer, status, message and all. Then we have a login logs. Okay, here you can check like login logs. You can remove, you can toggle, you can delete. Here then we have monetization. Then here you can check payment gateway, price plans. You can check or you can create what plans you are working. So like name, customer group, price, description, which you can manage. Then we have order. Here you can create order. Promo codes we have. So here you can set up promo code. Then we have a currency. Here you can check currency. You can create multiple currency as well. Then we have a taxes. So here you can set up your own taxes, which taxes you are dealing. Then we have a server. So here you can check your delivery server. Okay, here you can check delivery server. Here you can create or you can import export that data. Here then we have a bound server. Here you can create bound server as well. So here you can add bound server data. Then we have a feedback loop which you can manage. Okay, then we have an email box monitor which you can manage here. Then we have a domain. So we have sending domain. So you can create sending domain data, tracking domain. Then we have a list of page which we can check. Then we have an email template. Then we have a category which you can manage. You can create. You can check gallery as well. Then we have an email blacklist. You can import the data. You can create blacklist monitor. We have. Then we have a block email request. Okay, then we have a extend. So here you can say extension. You can share or you can update. You can check. You can do. Then we have some themes which you can manage. Like if you want to upload theme, you want to check customer theme or front end theme. Then we have a languages. So here you can set up multiple languages. Then we have a locations. So IP location service we have. So all types of where location are running, that data will come here. Here you can check database. Maxmind.com database, you can check it here. Okay, then we have a country, zones. So let me show you zones as well. So here you can check these zones we have set up here. You can set up your own zones. You can select your code and all. Then we have articles, pages. Then we have some settings which you can update. So like clean URLs and all, new version and all, you can manage that. Application auto update. Then we have a system URLs which you can manage. Okay, then we have import export, email template, blacklist. Here you can check the camping data. Okay, attachment, template, tags and all, you can manage all the things here. Then we have a customer. So here you can check like show article menu or not, mask email address related to server, max delivery server and all, domain, list, campings. You can check all the things. Here you can check domain data, list. Here you can check can import subscriber, yes or no, max list, what is the max list. Then we have a camping. Here we can check camping related data. Survey related data, we can check it here. Code country we have. Sending data we can check. We can update as well. Then we have a CDN registrations. See, this here the registration option, like registration, enable, disable, default group and all. You can manage that. Require approval or not. Then we have some API, we can enable, disable API, sub accounts, so you can manage sub accounts and all. Two-factor APIs we have, so here you can like allow IP or deny IP, you can set up. Then we have a start page monetizations related some settings we have. You can enable or disable that feature or and all, or some customization CD and other thing. This is for development purpose. Okay, so now I already show you a super admin function. Okay, then just allow me a second. Let me show you a customer login. So now I will log in as a customer. Here you can check dashboard, camping list, subscriber and template data. Here you can check list. Here you can create new list. You just need to add some data, so list will be created. Then we have a tools. Here you can check sync subscribers, split list. Okay, if you sync, then sync data will come here. Then you split here you can check. Then we have a camping, so all camping data will come here. Okay, here you can check create new, import, refresh, regular camping, auto response group. You can check all the data. Then we have email template, so here you can set up your own template, what template you are running. Then we have a gallery and other things. Then we have a API key. If we enable API key, we can use that API key in any solutions. And it's a bit slow, so here you can check API. You can create new API as well. API key, it will become here. Name, description, whitelist and blacklist you can set up. Then we have a survey data which you can check. You can create new. So this is the user login which I already show you. So if you have doubts, any query, then you can contact with us. Then we will help you. Thank you.